Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the first match in round one, and the scores are Kingston College on 37. KC got an additional point for the question, in what parish in Jamaica can you find the place, time and patience? The judges will accept Trelawney. And Green Pond are on 12 points. And now let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning this championship. Now let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. And the first question is from Bible knowledge. Who was the third judge of Israel? Shamgar. Biology. What is the name for the detectors in the body which are used to detect smell and taste? KC.
Osmoreceptors. Olfactory receptors.
Correct. English language. Give an expression, including the word to, that's TWO, that means to conclude or decide after weighing the facts. KC.
Yes. To put 2 and 2 together.
Correct. International affairs. A visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. KC.
Moon J-in.
Correct. Chemistry. Steel, brass, or copper. Which of these is not an alloy? KC.
Copper.
Correct. Music. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer. Green Pond High.
Beyonce.
Correct. General knowledge. Which former U.S. president won a beauty contest in 1950? Ronald Reagan. Spanish. What is the word anoche translated to be in English? Green Pond.
Night.
No, last night. Geography. Brazil borders all countries in South America except which two? KC.
Peru and Bolivia.
Chile. Chile and Peru.
Incorrect. Ecuador and Chile. Theatre and cinema. Look at the clip and identify this person. Issa Rae. Information technology. In what year was the first 1 gigabyte hard disk drive, which weighed 550 pounds, unveiled? (1980). History. Which CARICOM country was known as Wild Coast in the early KC?
Guyana.
Yes, 17th century. Mathematics. What is 0.006369 in standard form to 3 significant figures? KC.
3.69 times 10 to the minus 4.
Incorrect. 6.37 times 10 to the minus 3. Physics. What information is learned from looking at the curve of an acceleration time graph? The velocity of the subject. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. KC.
Lionel Messi.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. If you got your hand in a double mouth, KC.
Take time, dry out.
Correct. French. Translate the following sentence to English. Je ne t'aime pas. KC.
I do not like you. I don't like you.
Judges. I do not love you. Literature. What 1990 novel written by Daisy Ashford at 9 years old became very popular in Britain? The Young Visitors. And art. Le Picador was the name of the first painting of which artist when he was just 9 years old? Pablo Picasso. Bible knowledge. Who prayed for the newly converted Paul to regain his sight? KC.
Ananias.
Correct. Biology. What percentage of a hand's strength does a little finger contribute? Is it 10, 25, or 50%? KC.
50%. 50%.
Correct. English language. And that's the bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores: Kingston College on 49 and Green Pond High on 12. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.